Okay, today we'll be looking at this Honda oil filter, number 15400 PLM-A02. And you can get this at AutoZone for $8.99. So let's get started. It looks like it has a, you got a nice tight. Get your inner here, filtration of 99 here. Okay, so let's open her up. This is the way she comes, no box, just wrapped in plastic. Made in USA. Honda of America. Okay, we got 10 inlet holes. Looks like a silicone anti-drain back valve. And I see a metal core with holes. I'm not sure about the bypass valve. Look at, how about this O-ring? Yeah, it's got a nice O-ring. It fits right in this groove. That don't come off too easy. Probably don't go on that easy either. There it goes. Let me give you some instructions here. Oil gasket slightly. Say we cut this baby open and see what's inside. Be right back. Okay, here she is cut open, and let's get her weight. She weighs 6.1 ounces. How about the base plate? 2.8 ounces. Here's your base plate. Doesn't have too many threads on it really here, but it looks okay. I mean, it's light. Yeah, it could use like an extra thread or two. I would say. See, that's a little less than normal. But it's got a nice O-ring. And you got your silicone anti-drain back valve. This is nice. Goes on there nicely. And the filter media, I counted 49 pleats. Metal crimp seam right here. A couple little spaces there. Get your felt end caps with a metal core with holes. And the filter media is supposed to be a cellulose filter media. I couldn't really find too much out about this filter. Not too much information on it. And your bypass valve. This looks like a pretty good bypass valve. You know, that doesn't look like it's going to squish on you or anything. It's not going to collapse. That looks pretty strong looking. And let's see the can. I was getting about 0.4. Yeah, it's about 0.3, 0.4 millimeters. It's about average. It feels average. Let's get some width here. Zero this off. Inches. .29 inches. 2.28 inches. 2.43 inches. It's a pretty light filter. I mean, this filter media right here, 1.2 ounces. Pretty light. Almost like air. Well, you know what? So we cut this baby open, stretch her out, and see how long she is. Be right back. Okay, here she is all stretched out. And she's 50 inches long. It's zoomed out. And here's the seam. You know, the filter media feels okay, but it's a cellulose. Nothing special. I don't have no micron rating for it. So, but let's look at the rest of the filter. You know, these ain't your typical Walmart Super Tech end caps. I couldn't just rip them off, so I had to cut them. But these are your little end caps, felt end caps. Metal inner core, which is nice. This is nice. You know, it's nice size. It doesn't. I don't think this would collapse or anything. And you know, you got the anti-drain back valve with silicone. This is nice. But you know, is this filter an $8.99 nice? I don't know. It's an okay filter, but I don't think it's worth the price. I think for the price you can get some better. There's some better filters out there. I can think of a few filters that are better than this one for $8.99. Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.